guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. You've seen the title already. Let's dive right in. So my biggest challenge with today's transformation is the amount of fabric that I'm working with, and it's really not a lot. The vest is, I believe this is in a medium or a large. I have the scarf here, and this is my backup fabric for when and if I do need it. Here is what the jersey looked like before we get started. I start by unpicking all the seams that I'm not going to be needing, and I really like this front panel detail that goes all the way to the neck, so I wanted to save that part of the fabric for later. And for my pattern, I'm using an old skirt just to map out the pattern. This is a great way to save money if you do not want to spend money on new patterns. Guys, look at this. The sleeves are perfect neck pattern. I didn't even cut nothing. I haven't done nothing to it. So I'm trying to figure out if this is the universe telling me, girl, do not stress yourself. Just go for a different design and stick to the halter neck, or I should stick to my idea, which is like a corset style. I don't know. What would you do? Let me know in the comment section. I'm really not sure why I thought I had enough fabric to make a corset from scratch. Luckily, I had a few corsets lying down around, and I ended up with this cherry red number. For this transformation, I wanted to make sure to implement all the sporty elements as much as I could. So I decided to add that panel to the back and just let it run across the center back. Guys, how good is my gathering skills? I'm actually very proud because this is my first time ever doing this, and it came out pretty okay. So I have the skirt here, and I also have some of the other pieces. What I did was I emmed the edges, and I've just did a single stitch here so I can gather it. I have a few of them, and I kind of want to make the skirt a bit layered. Hopefully that works. So I had so much fun experimenting with gathering for the first time. I did a straight stitch and gathered from there. This was me gathering the body of the skirt as well as the little pieces of fabric I had around to add more volume to the skirt. Once I was done with gathering all the pieces that I needed, it was time to pin the skirt in place. Here I was just having fun and testing out different ways and idea for where to add the volume and the texture using the smaller pieces to fill out the skirt. Once I was happy with it, I went ahead and sewed everything in place. I know I love like a off-shoulder sleeves situation, but maybe instead of taking it all the way to the shoulders and making it as part of the dress. Although this looks quite nice. Oh, there's so many options. Let me know which option you prefer. And I have it dangling down, have it layered so it's more than one, something like this, or have it as like a all the way round, so it sort of gives us like a sleeve effect. Let me know in the comment section, but I will decide tomorrow morning because I am so tired. I need my beauty sleep.
The next morning.
For our last and final step is the trimming. I am going to be going with this design. I've been playing around with it. I slept on it just to make sure I'm really happy with it, and I'm quite happy with this. The only thing is I really hope I have enough to go around, because I do want this kind of like, I don't know what you call this asymmetric like detail around it. I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch it together. I really need to avoid this part showing. I'm not a fan of it at all, so I'm going to have to figure out a way to sew it for it to not show. But once that is all done, I can finally show you guys the finished result. And this is what we look like. Guys, I am absolutely in love with it. I really like how the story is going to be and what is going to add to my wardrobe. But as usual, let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you made it to this end, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Make sure to show all the love. I am so tired. That's why I sound so dead. But thank you so much for staying true to the end. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys loads. Mwah. Bye.